geometric series. The series n is equal to 0 to infinity xn summation n is equal to 0 to infinity x of n is equal to x raised to n is equal to 1 plus x square plus and so on x raised to n minus 1 plus and so on is called geometric series. Theorem. Prove that geometric series n is equal to summation n is equal to 0 to infinity xn. First one converges if modulus of xn less than 1, that is xn x lies between minus 1 to plus 1, diverges mod x greater than or equal to 1, mod x greater than or equal to 1, and oscillates if x less than or equal to minus 1. Proof. Let Sn is equal to 1 plus x square plus and so on x n minus x raised to n minus 1. First condition xn modulus of xn less than 1. That means x lies between minus 1 to 1 condition. We know that sequence in a geometric series sum of geometric series Sn is equal to a into 1 minus r raised to n divided by 1 minus r when r is less than 1. Here we are considering the term r is less than 1. Therefore Sn is equal to, here a is 1, Sn is equal to 1 minus x raised to n minus 1 divided by 1 minus x, sum of n terms of Gp. If I apply limit, we get this term. This is tends to 1. This term tends to, if you apply limit n tends to infinity, 1 divided by 1 minus x raised to n minus 1 minus x. We apply limit, this term tends to 0. Therefore it is convergent. This is when modulus of x mod xn less than 1. In this case, first case, this is convergent series. And next, second case, mod x greater than or equal to 1. We know that sum of in Gp sum of nth term a into 1 r raised to n minus 1 divided by r minus 1 when r greater than 1. When r greater than 1. Therefore x raised to n minus 1 divided by x minus 1. If you apply limit, this tends to infinity. Therefore sum of partial sum here Sn partial sum is divergent. Therefore series Xn is divergent. Second case, here this is A and here second case B. Let x greater than in first case x greater than 1. Here second case x equal to 1. Then sequence of partial sum is Sn is equal to, if we taken x is equal to 1, sequence of partial sum 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus and so on up to n terms. Therefore 1 is equal to summation n this tends to infinity. Therefore, mod x in second case, mod x greater than or equal to 1, the series is divergent. The series is divergent. Third case, mod x less than or equal to minus 1. X less than or equal to minus 1. If x less than minus 1, sequence oscillates, series oscillates finitely, if x less than, if x equal to 1, oscillates finitely. If x less than minus 1, this series oscillates infinitely. Let x equal to 1. See, first case, x equal to minus 1, then Sn is equal to 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 and so on. That means minus 1 raised to n is equal to 1 minus 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 plus 1 and so on. According as n is odd or n is even. If we taken n is odd, we get minus 1 minus 1 minus 1. If we taken even terms 1 1 1, we get. Therefore, limit n tends to infinity, Sn is equal to 1 or minus 1. This value is oscillating between minus 1 and 1. Therefore, minus 1 and 1 are finite number. It is oscillating between minus L to plus L. Therefore, this is finitely oscillatory series. In this case, if x is equal to minus 1 case, this is finitely oscillatory series. If x less than minus 1 case, we know that in GP, in geometric progression, we know that Sn, sum of geometric series a into 1 minus r raised to n divided by 1 minus r, and r less than 1, Sn is equal to 1 plus minus r plus minus r square and so on minus r raised to n minus 1. That means minus of minus 1 raised to r minus 1 minus 1 raised to n into r raised to n divided by 1 minus of minus r. This tends to plus infinity and minus infinity according as n is even or n is odd. This is oscillating between minus infinity and plus infinity. Therefore, it is infinitely oscillatory, oscillatory series. Therefore, conclusion, in a geometric series, x raised to n is equal to 1 plus x square plus and so on, x raised to n minus 1 plus and so on. First case, modulus of xn less than or equal to 1. In this case, series is convergent. Xn greater than or equal to 1. In this case, series is divergent. In third case, xn less than or equal to minus 1. In this case, series is series is oscillatory. Oscillatory. Okay. Thank you.